What's up, guys? How we doing out there? Pandora, the postcard diva here. Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. It's What's Up Wednesday. All right, so I am here today with What's Up Wednesday just to run down a few little updates. But before we get into that, if you have not checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info, peruse around, check us out. All right, so we're gonna just cover a few things here for What's Up Wednesday. I'm gonna run down some things. I like to call it hit it and quit it. All right, so let's get into some things here. First and foremost, let's go over this. My summer special, I've been talking about, is for July and August only. When it's gone, it's gone. My summer special is join me in the Home Business Academy. Go all in. All right, which means you have to get all 4 products with Home Business Academy. All right, they've got 4 products. Let's go: Funnel Builder, Premium, and Financial Literacy. Go all in, and I'm going to run traffic, a solo for this month, July, and a solo for August. Okay. Now, if you're already in Home Business Academy with me and you're not all in, you can still qualify to receive this bonus as well. Okay. All you have to do is log in, click that red button, and go ahead and purchase the additional products, okay? And I'll do this for you as well. All right, so that's the summer special, guys. Again, it's for July and August. When it's gone, okay? All right, now that's one thing I want to update you guys on. And the link is in the description to get started with me in Home Business Academy, or go to coffeeandcoins.info, okay? Links are there in the description, though. All right, let's move on. So that's that. Let's see what else we got here. While we're on Home Business Academy, if you're not aware, right, Home Business Academy is the #1 income, one of the income streams in the daily income method. All right. So with this in Home Business Academy, you can earn $220 per sale, guys, if you decide to go in here and to get started. Because Home Business Academy, the lead capture page, is the #1 stream here. You sign up for $25 a month, and you're going to earn residual income as long as folks keep their membership, their lead capture page system with Home Business Academy. And then, of course, you earn $200 commissions with the daily income method. So if you get both of those, you'd only be spending, what, $322, okay, $322. And now you can have monthly residuals again and again, as long as folks stay. And then you're going to earn instant commissions of $200 every time someone purchases this daily income method system from you. All right. So my update is, and I talked about it yesterday, join me in Daily Income Method and Home Business Academy. If you come in here and sign up under the Daily Income Method, you're going to automatically come here and go to step 1, sign up for HBA. Then go ahead and pay for the system, $297, and I will send a 200-click solo ad for you, okay? Joining me here, okay, with these 2, Daily Income Method and HBA, right here in this system. And let's back up. With Home Business Academy, we're going to go in there. So that's that deal, okay? That's the update there. And that's a pretty darn good deal. $322 is not bad. And you can make $220 per sale. Psh, that's a deal. Now let's come over here. So that's one thing. Let's go to Home Business Academy real quick. If you want to be blessed, you have to be a blessing. That is the quote of today. All right? So let's check this out. So, speaking of that, in Home Business Academy, right? And here's the funnel builder, because that's what you would be joining over here in Daily Income Method. All right, this $25 system is called the funnel builder. So anyway, if you get signed up with me, I'm just feeling grateful and gracious and generous. Okay, I got all these bonuses going. Now the summer special is going to end in August. It's going to be over. But I want to give you the long-term bonus. Let me get in here. Hold on. If you get started in Home Business Academy, right? Let's say if you don't sign up with Daily Income Method and HBA. Okay, I'm talking about solely if you decide, well, hey, I do want to get an HBA. Okay, I'm not going to go all in, but I want this $35 residual pack. Okay, all right. I have my postcard, which I've been talking about a long time, right, for months. I have a postcard template that I can email you, right, and provide you the printing company that I use to get them printed. All right, if you're interested in mailing postcards for HBA. Okay, that's another way to get traffic. So anyway, to get that template, you have to join the triple pack. Okay, the $35. Okay, the summer special is just a summer special if you go all in. Okay, but when that goes away, or even now, if you decide I don't want to go all in, but I want to get these three, Let's Go HBA, and I want these 2 weeks free of this premium training, $35, I'll shoot you an email with the template for the postcard. All right. And where I get my leads from, and where you can get the print the cards from. Okay. All right. So I'm just running this stuff down. All right. Then I also introduce you guys to another traffic source. This is free. You know, just like Hercules has a free version, then Hercules has other paid advertising within their platform. Here is another resource called World Profit. They've been around since 1994. There's no credit card needed here. You can get 50,000 visitors to your website. This is not a fast process. This is running in the background. You should still be promoting. Nothing is guaranteed, guys, whether solos, whatever it is you're doing, it's not a guarantee. What it is, you just need to be consistent, because what you're wanting to do is get traffic to your website. All these different strategies is ways to get eyeballs looking at your opportunity. Postcards, solo ads, social media, all that is driving traffic. Okay, so here is another resource. It's happened to be free. I set mine up. I've showed you guys that. You don't even have to put a credit card in, just your name and your email. Okay, they're not, it's another, and it's other, I need to show you guys that. I'll come back another day. They have a lot of freebies in World Profit that you can post some ads, these different traffic resources, but this one is the 50K visitors. So anyway, another resource that you can plug in your link, whatever business you're promoting, not just HBA, whatever you're promoting. Hey, it's free traffic, and these are real people, so it's not bots. So, all right, so I'm sharing. All right, let's move right along. Next, okay, here's a program that I joined 2 years ago. Still promote this program. It's been in my description. I joined it from day one, the day it launched, and I've been an affiliate for them for the whole 2 years. Love it. This program right here is amazing. I'm bringing this up today, and this is what I like to call high ticket. They actually have 4 products: 100, 300, 600, 900. Then they added a 1400 for Spanish website, etc. But we're talking about these 3, right? This is a master. You have the master resale rights of this program. Digital products, instant commissions, 100% instant, no monthly. No monthlies on this, because it's instant commissions. I was inspired by one of my members had joined me in this, a year ago or so, and said, hey, well, do you have a postcard for this? Because people know that's why I'm called the Postcard D, because when I came out years ago, I failed miserably. I've told you guys this story at online marketing, but I discovered postcard marketing and direct mail, and that's where I found my success. And then I doubled back and learned the online space. So anyway, I was known for creating different postcards for everything, because that's how I was able to be successful. Okay, so I learned to brand myself with postcards. Okay, and it's easy and simple, and everybody can do that. So anyway, he was like, hey, do you have a postcard for the Legacy Builder? And I was like, nah, I didn't really create one, you know. And so I thought about it after talking to him, and I said, well, you know what? Maybe I'll do so. So I am in the lab. I've come up with some ideas and things that I'm going to have for it, but I am going to create one for the Legacy Builder program. All right. Now, you're probably saying, well, why this one and not my Exodus one? Love Exodus as well. They've been around for 11 years. I just think cold traffic, because that's what these people, when you're mailing to people at home, they don't know you. Like, a lot of people may know you from social media, right? Those people, they've made a connection. Whereas the people in the mail, they don't, right? So they get a card and go, is this real? I don't know. Is it real? Is this legit? But they go to the website and there you are. That's why I said branding. And that's what I learned to do with those postcards. So the postcard will have your picture on it if you want. I'm going to have mine on it. And so when they see that postcard, it's a real person. In their mind, they may think it may not be. But then when they go to the website, come to the capture page, opt in here to Legacy, they will see you are real because your face is on your page, right? And not just that, I think they'll be able to resonate more with this program personally versus Exodus, only because it's a lot of real people here. A lot of testimonies, tons and tons, and it's very active. Okay, this community is very active, and we're talking everyday average people that you can see on and on and on. See, your picture be here on your Legacy website. So this page is branded to you, and then they see your postcard. Oh, that's the person I received their card in the mail. See how that can resonate, right? Like, okay, it is real. I'm looking at all these real people on this page. All these testimonies. You see what I'm saying? So I think they'll be able to resonate. So the card would make sense. It would make sense to create one for this program. So I'm like, okay. So anyway, it's going to be ready soon, but I just want to bring that to your attention. So I think that'll be great. And you have to think about with this program, the least you can make is $100, right? $100 program. They have a 300, a 600, and a 900. So the least you can make is 100. And remember, you pay instantly and directly. Okay. So if someone signs up, all right. So I think that'll be great. So again, I'm feeling generous, all right, and grateful. So what I'm doing with this one, and this is ongoing. If you decide to get in the Legacy program, I've been in it for 2 years, join me at the $900 product, which is called the Legacy Builder Program. Okay, you can join at any of them, but this is the one that's going to get the special bonus. So the $900 program, you join that one. If you decide, hey, you know what, I think I want to mail postcards too, in addition to what you should be doing, which is marketing. Okay, you still need to market, guys. Even if you're mailing cards, you know, I would say still do some marketing because, again, you want more eyeballs, right? So anyway, I'm going to give away 1,000 leads on pill and stick labels that you'll be able to put on your postcards, okay? And give you the postcard template. I'll email you that. And you can tell me if you want your picture on it. If you don't, I have a generic picture that I'll just put on it. You know, maybe a family or something like that, right? That will be the generic one. But you'll be able to get, I'll mail you 1,000 leads on pill and stick labels and email you the template and the company, the printing company. Okay? So that's what we'll do with the Legacy program. Okay? Great program. Again, they've got a lot of interaction. So that's why I think folks can resonate with this one. So when they get the card in the mail, it will make sense, right? So anyway, and it's high ticket, $900 a pop. We'll be coming back talking about that. All right, so that's kind of what I want to run down with you guys. Okay, just a few things. But we are ready to rock and roll. And if you want to get started again, hey, just go here, coffeeandcoins.info. You can get started, or just go to the link in the description. All these programs are going to be on this page. Just peruse around and check everything out, guys. All right, with that being said, that's it. That's all. My information is in the description as well. So if you have any questions about anything that I mentioned, or in general about any of these programs that I'm a part of, feel free to reach out. All right. All right, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank ya. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.